HBQ-923 fully automatic crimping and twisting machine. An open platform with multiple workstations. Realize functions such as automatic cutting, stripping, seal loading, crimping, twisting, and tape wrapping of wire harnesses. With a flexible feeding system. Double wires cutting in area 1. Seal loading in area 1. Seal loading detection in area 1. Crimping in area 1. Crimping detection in area 1. Cutting, seal loading detection, crimping detection, twisting, and tape wrapping in zone 2. Automatic double wire cutting in zone 2. Seal loading in area 2. Seal loading detection in zone 2. Crimping in area 2. Crimping detection in zone 2. Double and twisting and tape wrapping